Amazing kayo bed and breakfast. Tom is blowing the snow. Amazing. Anong patabang to? Saan daw po? Yeah. Can I try? Is that heavy?
Yeah, you gotta put gas in it.
No more gas. Okay. So,
You can get out now, okay?
yeah, okay.
I don't even know if that was bad, but I can't leave it here.
So, what will I do?
I'll pull it out of the way because the plow comes through.
Yeah, yeah.
I got a little gas left in there.
Okay. Can I go near the lake?
No, I don't want you over there.
Okay.
Cars come through, you're slipping. Okay?
Okay. Ano pong silingan or nice silang snow blower kay sakay-sakay. Ah, gamay nga tractor. Dako-dako man pod ilang limpyuhan. Oh, look. Agi ko dere. Lalom man, di lang. Ano gumagi ko da sa lalom. Migay kay gamera niya mong driveway. Madarag snowblower. Oh, kapit na matabo na mong balay. Nice Christmas tree. Pictures. Yeah, I like it. You're laughing at me. Yeah, it's amazing for me. Tawan ko niya. The house of my neighbor. Look. And no more leaves. Our backyard. Look. I just find it amazing.